No. It's either Biafra or death.
You have succeeded by having meeting with Biafran Liberation Army. But for Egodomigodo, you can never succeed in having meeting with Biafran Egodomigodo fighters. Not to talk of Biafran angels of Ekwensu.
Imagine.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 10th of December 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Gist TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, the Biafran liberation of Ekwensu, Igodo in Edo State is issuing this warning to the government, saying that whatever they think that they did to Mazen Nandekalo and also to Simon Eba, that they are not going to succeed in stopping Biafra from coming, and them over there in Edo State must surely do everything to make sure that they protect their land in Edo, Biafra land, because of the intruders of the Fulani herdsmen or the Zoo army. So in this video, this guy said a lot concerning this issue of Biafran Liberation Army and what is happening at the moment. Just listen to him and what he said.
Today being 2025 of December, I want to ask Nigeria one question. Do you think if you hold Simon Ekpa in Finland, we will not leave our community or our ancestral home? Or do you think if you hold Nnamdi Kanu, we will run away from our land or we cannot speak? If you hold my hand and twist my hand, go back to collect my thing, I will fight back. And let me ask my brothers, and let me send this message to all my brothers, home and abroad of Biafrans. If you are working for Nigerian government or you are working in Nigerian government, thinking that you, by the right, you have every right to sell your brothers, we are watching you closely. We will come after you. All what you people are doing, we are seeing you. Now, I want to ask you, Nigerian government, do you think Bola Ahmed Tinubu hand cannot touch him? Or do you think Hope Uzodinma hand cannot touch him? Or Soludo? We know that Nnamdi Kanu, his own cabinet, sold him to you. We know that Simon Ekpa, his own cabinet, sold Simon to you people. We know, we are watching. That is why Biafran military government have taken over everything now. We are ready for you. And any day you succeed, as you succeed in laying hand on Nnamdi Kanu and Simon, if you succeed in laying hand for any genuine Biafra leader, from this moment we will start to arrest you people. As you succeed in laying hand for anyone, though you will not succeed, but if you succeed, we will start to arrest you people. For any genuine Biafra from now, after Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa, anyone who succeeded and lay your hand, we will start to arrest you people. Go and mark my word today. Today is 9 December 2025. You that is asking that everywhere has been silent, everywhere has come, we have started again. The violence your brothers and sisters are bringing in our land, to kidnap our brothers and sisters, to destroy our property, our livelihood. Do we do so? And we are not violent people. We are peaceful people. But if you want violence, we will give you. Now, I'm sending this message to all over our brothers, both home and abroad. to stay away from anything that they are doing called this Christmas that is coming. Please, I beg of you, if you come, stay in your house. Don't move around, or better not to come, because there is no happiness in the land. You have succeeded by having meeting with Biafran Liberation Army. But for Egodomigodo, you can never succeed in having meeting with Biafran Egodomigodo fighters. Not to talk of Biafra Angels of Ekwensu. You can never see their face. You can never see their face. I'm talking of Biafra Angels of Ekwensu. You can never see their face, not to have meeting with them. Anything you people are doing, we are watching you closely, and we are ready for you people. We are ready for you people. From now henceforth, I salute His Excellency. I salute His Excellency Amadi Omoroyi. I greet you, sir. I commend you with your good work. Thank you, sir.
You can see that this young man here exposed the negotiation the government went to do with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, allegedly that they offered Mazi Nnamdi Kanu billions of naira for him to drop this Biafra and some other promises they made to him. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refused and said Biafra or nothing, or even dead, that he is not going to betray Biafra. So listen to this Yoruba guy and hear what he said concerning the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as it is going on right now at the moment.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the President of the Federal Republic of Benin Republic. Alpha, I allegedly see for news that you go negotiate with Nnamdi Kanu. You offer Nnamdi Kanu 800 billion naira to stop agitating for Biafra. Then you will free him. Then Kanu insists, say no. It's either Biafra or death. So you can't lock up, say no. Let them go sentence him to life imprisonment. So as for those of you when they talk say Nnamdi Kanu na terrorist, na that one, na blah blah blah, all of them when they sit down for TikTok, they talk nonsense about Nnamdi Kanu. First of all, let me pray for una. Thunder go fire all of una one by one, allegedly. You know go better for una allegedly. So that one by the way. So when I go ask una president, say why the offer? Why they try to offer Nnamdi Kanu? Why they try to buy Nnamdi Kanu to say truly Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist? Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist. He really commits all those crimes where they accuse him for. Then why the offer? Why they no kuku go ahead? Then prosecute and direct without any facility, any private facility for negotiating. Why they can't go they negotiate with them? Yes, now what I thought say una no get sense all this Nigerian government. Them say no, say Kanu is not a terrorist. Now why they no want negotiate? Now why they go negotiate with them? Because Kanu they agitate for the freedom of his people. Now why they hold him? Not because of any stupid terrorism. Now why they hold him? Because they don't want to make it talk about the Biafra of the stuff again. Now why they go hold him? Now why they are trying to buy Kanu? Because the Nigerian government themselves know say if people go, Nigeria go shake. Yes, Nigeria go shake. Despite the hate where they hate it though. Why they never leave those people? Why they never pursue them? So Yamana they go. Una hate it do abi. Okay, pursue them now. Why not see the whole Kanu? Why the negotiation? Negotiation. You know go better for English. Thought I fire English. You understand what I talk about? If you don't understand, thought I fire you. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. I'm Shamsodium, apex predator, the baddest guy on the planet. The only swearivist on the surface of the earth. I swear for living. I'm not an activist. I'm a swearivist. I swear for living. Anyway, Free Nnamdi Kanu now. It's not a criminal, it's not a terrorist. Freedom for all of us. Anyway, stupid people.
Biafrans, this is a place that ndị mmadụ na-egbusi ụmụnne ha na-eme ihe ndị oyibo na-akpọ human organ harvesting, you know. So ndị polisi abịago ebe a kịta na wee bịa bust all the plagues, where expose all the atrocities that has been going on here for a very long time. Kudos to the Nigerian police, but I hope this is not a kind of propaganda or whatsoever. I hope you guys really caught the people that are doing these things, because indeed our state or our place need to be safe. People need to be feel safe anywhere they are in our land. So, but kudos to them anyway and what they showed here. Just watch this video to the end of it.
Imagine.
On high. Dreaded area. Very dreaded area. Very highly dreaded. This is a terrible one. Onya ezigbo evil plan.
Very terrible. Who going to keep people here? Who going to keep people here?
We there for this. We don't go down much. Come back. We there for the road before that much. Yes, coming down. Okay, city is coming. Before that mortuary, there's a road.
Yeah, mortuary.
Something there for that place.
But everything here is still in Imo State. Ngo Okpala. I don't know why Imo State chuburu ebe ihe niile ka wee njọ na-eme na the whole of Biafra land and even na the whole of Southeast. I don't know why o ji eburu Imo State ka ka njọ were na-eme.
So many kidnappers, and they have been on the road, patrolling day and night, entering forest with our policemen. I came today to thank them, and I will take their message to His Excellency because they have just finished their training. They are waiting. They are on standby so that they will soon commence work. And they have given me that assurance that the moment the Excellency inaugurates them, they are going to make this local government a safe place. And this X-month is going to be celebrated history. Yeah. For that, by His grace, the executive chairperson of this local government, Ngokpala, is with us. Yes. And I want her to encourage her. Yes. If possible, they should be mobile, yes, with a movable, a sound patrol vehicle. For them to be moving around the whole local government. Yes. And by our assessment during the training, they perform very well. Yes. They perform very well during the training. Yes. Yes. And I urge them to be patriotic. This is what they call community policing. Community policing. They know all the criminals within this community. For that, they should perform their duty diligently, professionally, and we are there to support them. For that, I wish them a successful operation. Thank you.
Otu aka na-ekwukwu okwu gbasara ihe ndị Tiger Base. So many people are still saying ill about Tiger Base. Even this young guy here explained his own experience. Just listen to him and what he said.
Imo State Police Command, when they use people life to play, it is obvious that you people are not taking the lives of Imolites serious. Because tell me, how will the people witness something and share it to the public to raise alarm, to create awareness that this is what is currently happening in this area? We need your swift response, police and other security agencies. You people will target false information and counter it. But later, after everything, you still go back there on the same ground. How many times has Imolites passed information and videos concerning the high rate of Romano kidnapping on that Aba Road, Abowere Road, ranging from Airport Junction down to Okpala Junction, Botia to Ehide? You people take it as a joke, nothing. Yesterday, I saw the press release. The Imo State Police Command, led by CP Aboki Danjuma, gave through Henry Okoye, the spokesperson. I saw it, I read it. Why did you people go there? Okay, now, you want to go and comb the forest. That place you went to, is that a forest, or that thing is not even up to a bush? That is what we call awam. It's just a place where cassava was cultivated. You were just walking along the farm road. If you were serious that you were really after the kidnappers, those number, I could count the number of policemen that went there from all the paparazzi you people did. You went there to snap pictures, to impress us. Who you want to impress? You people are playing with us. You are not serious about this insecurity thing that we've been crying and clamoring and saying, look. How many policemen did you take to? You did not even go to the thick forest and bushes. You just went and spent 30 minutes. If you were serious that yesterday, by now, you all should have still been in the bush up till now. All of you, because tell me how you go there and spend 30 minutes and come out and say you did not see them. When I just did there 30 minutes, come out, say when I go find people for bush. Who when I go find? When I go mumu on herself. This is the time now. Even where when they get strength now to carry SARS, carry what do they call them? Tiger Base. They intimidate innocent people. They take the lives of innocent Imolites. If they talk, when I say a lie. Go do what do they call them? Press visit, carry people waka for there. Me could carry all those on Tiger Base. She been an anti-kidnapping. Waiting they make them for don't reach now. make them go they sleep for inside bush for Ngwala. Now there they suppose they no be to the chase innocent Timolites that are hustling to earn a living. They wanna go they use them, they intimidate even political. If now before now, governor said opposition, now then they cause the insecurity. Now who is opposing the governor? Nobody is opposing you. This is the time to act. All those your tiger bees, all of them should be in Ngobala now, combing those bushes. They should give them the whole of the week. Not going there for 30 minutes and you come out and give press release, snap picture, or Zanya Komame they clap for you. Hey, police don't try, they don't come. Look at Port Harcourt Road from Owerri, from Ahoda, all those areas, from all the, what did they call that side? I don't forget that name. But that Port Harcourt Road before, reach Elele, now no go area. If you put head, they carry you enter bush one time. But waiting we can do during his tenure, he put police from here. 2 minutes you don't see police, 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 till you reach Elele. We hear anything again for that road because he knows the strategy, because he has the welfare and the well-being of the people at heart. Where on I go they use on our own to intimidate people. Tiger base. Since then, that Port Harcourt Road, even that time, if I dey go Bayelsa, Johnny will go take you 25 minutes to reach LL. It go take you like 40 minutes. But I was happy because if they are not there, those abductors will find it easy to do anything they want. Why not take all this your tiger base and flood them on Abowere Road? From Airport Junction, even from Nazi, flood them straight to Umeeka Junction or Naval Base. That's okay. Naval Base for Owerenta. When I no go see that one do, now to they use them, they intimidate innocent people. Imo State Police Command make una do something. No, it's not by press release. It's not by press release. When you are being called, you answer and do the right thing, which is securing the lives and properties of the citizens. Or how no about cut the camera.
Thank you everyone. Thank you my Biafrans. Thank you fans. Thank you all for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with our Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye. Merry Christmas in advance. Please everyone, let's make this Christmas enjoyable to everyone. Please, we don't want any bad news. We don't want any buying. I beg bikonu kani igbo juoyi ka enwe no bi angere ka eme Christmas enjoy daruno.